Hey guys, Richard here at eBike Reviews and Adventures. So today's adventure, myself, Amanda, Emma, and Devin are getting ready to take off and go do a little ride. So a couple months ago, well actually several months ago, my friend Bill introduced us to a nice ride up in the Clearwater, Seminole, Florida area. And it's called the 4 City Park Ride, where you go and visit 4 city parks. Some of them are really large and really beautiful. Well, the kids have never had a chance to do that ride with us, so they decided they wanted to go and do that ride. So we're going to go as a family today, no one else, and just spend the time together. So that's what we're doing. So I was out here yesterday for a couple hours trying to figure out how I was going to put 4 bikes on the truck here, because I've got a short bed, and usually I have to put 1 bike diagonal and then 2 on the rack, but I need to figure out how to do 4. Well, I figured it out. So after some trial and error for a little while, I figured out that Devin's bike worked the best to remove the kickstand and to remove the pedal, and that allows us to put it on the inside rack. I can still have the tailgate in the down position because I do have a short extension on my hitch, and it's just enough room for us to put his bike there so we can get another bike on the rack. And because the tailgate's down, I'm able to put 2 shorter bikes in the bed of the truck. So I think we got it figured out, so we'll see here in a few moments. Stick around for the ride and I hope you enjoy it. All right. Whew. Look at this. There's so much humidity. My camera's fogging up. So guys, let me show you real quick what we did here. See that? I mean, we've got that's why we had to take Devin's kickstand off, because there was just no room for his kickstand to be here. And then we also had to take the pedal off just to give us a little more room to get it up and over. But yeah, it worked out. So we got the Magicycle Ocelot Pro 2.0. This is the one with the dual sensors. Love this bike. We got Emma's Traxxas Lynx Plus that also has the dual sensors, so both cadence and torque. We got Devin's Mach Wheel Obsidian. This is also a torque. And then Amanda has her Traxxas Explorer right here. This is a cadence sensor version. So that's us today. Now we're going to get unloaded and get on the trail. Oh, and then you have the biggest bikes?
We have the biggest bikes of the whole thing that we've ever, all the bikes that we've ever had. Me and Amanda have the 2 biggest bikes.
I'm ready.
Is everyone else ready?
I think so.
Is that your riding position, Emma?
What do you mean? I don't know. This?
Yeah,
it's the best I got.
Help me keep an eye on her camera because she's not used to it, and sometimes she's looking straight down. So we'll check it periodically.
I have...
That's fine. Just that's okay.
I can try and hike it up a little bit.
No, that's fine. It needs
that might actually help.
It needs to just kind of settle in wherever it's going to settle. Whoa! I rotated my pedal, and the bike decided we were going somewhere. Whoops. So yeah, you're just getting your riding comfortable position.
Okay, well I hiked it up.
All right, let's go.
Maybe that'll help.
Oh my goodness, guys! Woo! It's like herding cats. Meow. Meow. Oh, snake! Oh, look out! Oh! Where'd he go? So, pretty sure that was a cottonmouth, based on his coloring and his pattern.
He wasn't happy, I'll tell you that much.
No, they're vicious. They are, yeah, they have an anger problem.
As he hangs out right next to it.
Yeah, Steve Irwin.
He's gone. I don't see him. What happened to Devin? He was going to ride up here next to me or in front of me, and then we hit that snake, and he's scared. Devin's scared.
making sure you didn't have any dust in your face.
I don't have dust in my face.
You didn't eat my dust? How you doing? Did you wake up? You feeling awake? Good, good, good.
Okay, we're gonna go back out to the main road that we came in on. We're gonna take a right, go down a little ways, and then take a left, but I don't remember how far. Let me look at my map real quick. Next on our list is it's gonna be the Boston Lake.
Got it. Devin, you're gonna make me crash.
A little warm, but not too bad.
The bottle's almost as big as you.
This is nice out here.
Agua.
I got off on the wrong side. Hold on.
Huh? Got off on the wrong side. Forgot where your kickstand was? Yeah. Legitimately spot a dolphin and point it out, and if I legitimately see it, I'll buy lunch.
I feel like it's too choppy for him. That was cute.
Devin's over here too busy playing instead of looking for dolphins. He wants to buy lunch today.
Her camera's dying.
Why is your camera dying?
It's on red. I don't know. It's been
Did you not have it plugged in?
No.
Do you have a plug for it to be plugged in?
Yes. I gave her one. She's just...
Uh-oh, I'm gonna turn it off. I hit a button.
Something tells me that hair color isn't correct.
Oh, Amanda, do you want me to whip him now?
For what? What did he...
You didn't hear what he said?
He doesn't have a helmet on.
Oh, he does, but it's broken. A good thing. All right, hey, it looks like I don't have to buy lunch today, so.
Well, I guess we're all gonna starve.
What are you doing?
I'm coming to give you a hug.
No,
Come
you're
here.
not.
Stop, there's rocks. Come here. Is that a palm tree, like growing out of a rock? On a real note, though.
I don't know.
Clearly, no one is interested in a free lunch, so because I'm the only one looking for dolphins. Feel that salty air, all sticky and nasty.
Yep.
Hey, so there's Devin on the mock wheel, Emma on the trunkses, Amanda on the trunkses, me on the magicycle. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. Right, guys? Gang?
Yeah.
Say goodbye. Bye!